Hi everyone, how's it going on? Right now we try to calculate the nominal GDP and the real GDP compared to the present price and present quantities. Okay, the first of all, there's the 3 years. We mentioned the 3 years, 2005, 2006, 2007, and the price is the $1, $2, $3 for each year. And the quantities is the 100, 150, 200, and the hamburgers price $2, $3, $4 for the each year is divided, and the quantities also divided 50, 100, and the 150 for the dollars for each hamburgers and for each hot dogs. Okay, let's calculate the nominal GDP and the real GDP. Okay, let's start calculating nominal GDP. Okay, 2005, as we have seen that the price is the $1 per hot dog, right? So that 100 hot dogs is gonna be multiplied, and then $2 per hamburgers. So there are the 50 hamburgers, and it can be multiplied and the plus. So the price $200. And for the next year, the price is changed for the $2, so that the per hot dogs and the 150 hot dogs here it can be multiplied, and then hamburgers price is also changed from the previous year to the present year, $3, and the quantities is the 100 hamburgers. It can be calculated in the plus. So the result is the $600. And there should also the 2007 is the price is changed for the per hot dogs, and it can be multiplied. So also the hamburgers price is also changed by $4. So that it can be plus after multiplied the quantities gonna be $1,200. So as we have seen that the definition, as I mentioned in the previous class, the production of the goods and this is related to the current price, right? Which means that the price is gonna be changed from the previous year to the present year. As we have seen, $1, $2, $3, right? It's gonna be $2, $3 is $4. It's going to be changed, right? This is the nominal GDP. Okay, how about the calculating a real GDP according to base year 2005? Why we are mentioning that 2005 is the base year? Because that we need to calculate according to base year for the each year. So let's see. So $1, as you have seen, $1 per hot dogs, 2005, and the quantities is the 100 hot dogs. So it's gonna be multiplied, and $2, 2005 for hamburgers. So the quantity is 50 hamburgers. So the result is the $200. So that for the next year, as you have seen that the price is not changed. It stays the same. As we have seen that definition, the production of the goods and the services valued at the constant price. Is a constant price, which means that if maybe that 3 years is passed, even though 3 years passed, the price stayed the same for each product for each year. Okay, so the second is the $1. And the quantity 150 hot dogs can be multiplied, and then $2 per hamburgers, and the quantity the 100 hamburgers and can be multiplied in the plus, so that the result is the $350. $350. And 2007 also you can see that the price is not changed, just the quantity is changed. Okay, the result is the $500. Okay, so as we have seen that according to each definition of these two measures, the difference is the prices. One is that the price is going to be changed from the 1 year to the next year, and the nominal GDP measurement, and for the second is calculating the real GDP measurement is going to be not changed, stay the same. The price is going to be stay the same. Well, how about calculating GDP deflator? This GDP deflator we can use to measure the prices. For that we need the formula. This is the formula. GDP equals to nominal GDP in the real GDP, and multiplies the $100, and then we can get the result. Okay, here the $200 is the $200, and also $200, and multiplies $100, so result is the 100. So that 2006 is a $600 comes from the nominal GDP is the 2006, and the $350 comes from the real GDP by the 2006, the same year, and multiplied $100, and the result is $171. Well, the 2007, I'm sorry. So the result, as I have seen, that 2007, for each years. So we have seen that $1,200 and $500, and it multiplies $100, and the result $204 and $240. Right? This is the GDP deflator. Only we have just calculated the price here, and then for the nominal GDP we have seen that the price is gonna be changed for the each year, and then calculating the real GDP we have seen that this measurement that the price is not changed, as you've seen.